RC operating figures, and they have robots, dinosaurs, dragons. There's an awful lot you can get, and of course they even have a scorpion, which we're going to be using in our full contact wargaming, which will be going around the grounds, being a great adversary as well. And people love the scorpion as well, and it is cool. Here's the scorpion, and it not only is cool, it is inexpensive. I think it's like $18 to get a scorpion. And this kind of scuttles around. It looks really cool. It doesn't do too much, but I mean, it goes around, spins, etc. So it's another great adversary that you can use in your full contact war game. Remember, these items are going to be shot at. They're going to be tried to take out, and that's part of the full contact, and that's going to be very dependent upon what weapons you have obtained, the statistical data behind it, the troops around it, etc. So it's quite a fascinating adult full contact wargaming. So watch for that in the future. It's really sophisticated, but using all the cool things. You know, regular wargaming with little men that you push there and roll dice, mostly done by Napoleonic war players at this particular point. It's pretty drab and boring unless you're really nerdy that just want to get into that. And I'm not sure you can rehearse wargaming on a tabletop with using dice as having any real value to it in the ultimate long run. And certainly it is pretty boring. If you think this is boring, you better check your pulse because you're dead. Stay tuned, many more to come.